Traveling on the GT road, one can find a magnificent but neglected monument in front of UET. The travelers usually look at this structure, which mesmerizes the eyes and startles one's view. UET and Department of Architecture takes pride in conserving this monument. The tomb of Khan-e-Dauran was once the most important monument of Shah Jahan period. It was damaged during the late 19th century, but still, the structure is one of the most magnificent structures of the GT Road, linking Walled City and Shalimar Garden. The monument was badly damaged both from interior and exterior. The brickwork was crumbling, and later repairs were carried out with incompatible materials such as cement concrete, cement lime mortar, which further deteriorated the historic brickwork. Most of the brick at several places fell apart, and it was an important task to get traditionally manufactured brick and use it on site so that the consistency of size and shape remained the same. In order to proceed the work, a training workshop was organized, which was also the basic objective of this particular exercise, and a large number of students from final year architecture and second year students from civil engineering department were selected. They participated in learning the traditional technology and method of construction. The workshop started in March, and complete drawings in the form of plan, elevation, and section were made. In the second step, defect survey was carried out to mark the possible areas of improvement and fix the conservation priorities. Students were informed about the methods and techniques of construction to be carried out in such conservation actions. The first practical action on the monument was taken to remove all dust and carbon accumulated on the monument since its construction. Scaffolding was fixed, and students had the experience of removing all dust and carbon using traditional tools like mehla, sandpaper, and soft brushing. The participants of the workshop also had the practical experience of cutting the jute fiber to prepare the mixture, which they enjoyed a lot. The next important task was repair of loose brickwork in various parts of the monument. Students were told that how such work is to be undertaken. After the introduction of new brickwork into the damaged old masonry, students began to realize the change of the historic tomb. Once this work was complete, students were overjoyed and found that the structure is nearing its original shape, form, and glory. Another important aspect in plastering was the restoration of damaged arches and missing parts of the arches. In this connection, the accuracy of the original shape and form was of utmost importance. In this way, the entire workshop was completed with a lot of learning and hard work at site. The participants felt that it was a difficult task which they could not imagine and should be carried out in future. Many passerbys are now seen to stop by and take notice of this valuable stone collection.